did you feel about these classes? What Lakshat is doing? How did
Actually,
you come to know?
frankly, yeah, I came here for an entry. I never thought this is possible within 6 months. I mean, even when I first came in, I still had my doubts, and then I challenged the person who referred me here, saying that no, it's not possible. And within 16 hours, I wouldn't even say it's 2 days actually. Like he was with you like 15 to 16 hours, and I was surprised, and I got so emotional, and I don't know how did he made it possible actually, for him to close his eyes and then do all those tricks and everything. And especially now I believe his brain is sharper, he'll be able to grasp things very quicker. Probably only time would eventually tell. It's an emotional roller coaster for me, trust me. And yes, I never believed, but now you showed me that it is actually possible. And how did you manage to do it? That's the biggest question. I still can't, I'm still having a lot of questions running back in my mind, like that even it's management for adults. I don't know.
This is called Shabda Veda Yoga Vidya, sir. In ancient days, our Rishi Munis, they used to go to forest and they used to sit for a long time, for hours, months, and they meditated, they chant mantras, then to awaken all these powers, and anyone comes in front of them with closed eyes, without opening their eyes, what question you don't even ask, they'll be able to know what is the question you have. They are able to use that. And the science has brought up with these powers scientifically using the other dimensions of the brain, which is helping them. It is not only doing things in blindfold alone. Now you see the changes, like his speed will increase, his observation will increase, his concentration will go so high. They can learn anything just like that. If the child is learning something, still it is not clear, so many questions, a lot of confusion, and the thing is they won't be able to express. Parents say, tell me, why didn't you do that? Teacher tell me, teacher tells, why didn't you say this? Why you are taking too long? This depends upon brain to brain. But if they understand the concept, if you awake them in between, when they are sleeping also, they will be able to answer it. Right? That is possible only when you know the concept. So now the other dimensions of the brain is so clear, they will be able to access it, and it becomes very easy for them. The learning speed will increase, the observation will go high, memory powers will be doing good.
What do you see? We are living in 2023, yes. Right? But
yes.
Still, I understand. But this is really possible right now. You're right, but probably I need to monitor him for another 1 week.
Yes, definitely. Now you see the changes in it. Definitely, you see the transformation. The speed, the learning, the writing, understanding, the emotion part. When you observe, you can see all these benefits. The human brain is very powerful.
Thank you. Thank you. It's thank you from my, it's an emotional thank you, I would say, from my side. And yeah, I think my wife might want to come and meet you once.
Yes. Thank you very much. We wish you best wishes, Lakshat.